So I thought I'd do a quick little video of my palm tree structures at night. It was a little too dark, so I kind of waited till the morning to show you. So those are my Trachycarpus, big tall ones down by the pool, lit up. Here are a few of them up here. I like them because they kind of look like an art installation. The boxes that are not lit, that you can see a little light in front, are all my other more tropical palms, and the little light you see is just the ambient temperature that I have in there, but the thermocubes are probably on as well because it's kind of cold this morning. So you can see around the corner here, and if you look down over here, another one of my Trachycarpus. There's my Chilean wine palm over there, and then over there is my Mediterranean palm. But it's a beautiful morning here in the Hudson Valley. Just a little cold last night, unlike last week where it was really, really warm. But that is the mountain range across the Hudson River there. So anyway, that's what they look like at night. A couple people asked what it looks like. So it's actually kind of pretty. And the nice thing is you can see the bridge way over here. When you're coming across the bridge, you can actually see these lit up when it's nice and cold out. Beautiful, beautiful morning here on the Hudson River.